Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of diagnosing and repairing USB charging issues in the Rocío de la Cueva Chromebool N20Q10. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a precision screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, a multimeter for testing, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by turning off your device and unplugging it from any power source. Using the precision screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the device. Be sure to keep these screws organized, as they can be quite small and easy to lose. Once the back panel is removed, gently lift it off to expose the internal components. Inspect the USB port for any visible damage or debris. If you notice any dust or dirt, use a can of compressed air to blow it out. For stubborn residues, use a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol to clean the area around the USB port. This step is crucial as a dirty connection can lead to charging problems. Next, we will test the USB port's functionality. Using the multimeter, set it to the continuity setting. Touch one probe to the ground of the USB port and the other to the data pins. If there is no continuity, it indicates a possible break in the connection, which may require further repair. If you find that the USB port is indeed damaged, replacing it is the next step. You can purchase a replacement USB port online or at a local electronics store. Before you install the new port, ensure that the area is clean and free from any solder residue. When ready to install the new USB port, align it carefully with the existing connectors on the motherboard. Using the precision screwdriver, secure it with the screws. Again, be cautious not to over-tighten them, as this can cause further damage. After the new port is in place, reassemble the back panel of the device by reversing the disassembly steps. Ensure that all screws are properly tightened and that the panel fits snugly. Now, before we power on the device, it's a good idea to check if any internal connections were accidentally disconnected during the repair. If you followed all these steps and you still face issues, it might be time to consider professional help. Remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, and if needed, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls and no travel hassle for you. Once everything is reassembled, power on the device and plug it into a charger. If the charging indicator lights up, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your device. If not, it might be worth reaching out for a quote before repair to ensure you get the best service possible. This concludes our tutorial on repairing USB charging issues in the Rocío de la Cueva Chromebool N20Q10. Remember, proper maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your devices significantly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.